The Model 2324 from Mr. LongArm is the highest reaching extension pole in our lineup. The pole locks tight in place at any length thanks to our simple yet effective chuck and collet locking mechanisms. Fully extended, it reaches from 8 to 23 feet and is comprised of a strong yet lightweight fluted fiberglass outer tube and 2 sections of high-grade aluminum inner tubing. With the strength and reach to get the job done, the Mr. LongArm 2324 will be your go-to workhorse around the home or workplace, and as always, the entire pole is made in the USA. From painting, to washing hard-to-reach windows, and even changing light bulbs. This has been a quick guide to the Mr. LongArm ProLock 2324. If you have any questions or comments, please message us via Facebook, Twitter, or contact us on our website at mrlongarm.com.